Hello everyone, we want to set up a new racetrack. Here you can see we only have the main camera and the scene elements. The first thing is checkpoint triggers. You need to checkpoint triggers to use for car position system. So we need to from prefabs manager at the checkpoint manager prefab into your scene. You can enable the mesh renderer. This is the checkpoint trigger. Hold down V key on your keyboard to snap to the vertex. Okay. The first checkpoint must be at the race start. This is the point to find the race position distance. You need to place near the ground surface. This point must be at the center of the road. Here is okay. Needs to cover whole road width. Nice. The first one must be at the race start. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. As you can see, automatically rename and add items. Duplicate. You can use this tool to optimize the item. Here is, as you can see, we have line here. This must be at the center of the road. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. This is a trigger, must be at the center. Add more triggers at the corners to have better car position system calculation. Okay, after finishing the placement, you need to optimize. Nice, here and here. Okay, you need to optimize every trigger to match your scene. Nice, not nice. Okay, you need to switch to the global local mode. Nice, 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 not nice, nice, nice. Okay, let me to add the delete this one and add already placed checkpoints. Okay, as you can see, the checkpoints looks good. Here you can see the good sample of the checkpoint placement. As you can see, the checkpoints not colored with others. Everything looks good. The final checkpoint must be here. This is the final checkpoint. This is the first checkpoint. The first checkpoint is at the race start, and the end checkpoint must be before the car spawn position. Here is the car spawn position. Here you can see the lines, not lines. Here is the car spawn position. Here the checkpoint start, and here is the end checkpoint. You can see the end checkpoint. Now select all checkpoints disable mesh renderer, and unpack completely. Okay, this is our checkpoint system. Now you need to use waypoints to AI cars follow the waypoints and avoid from obstacles layers. Okay, you need to add waypoints. To add the waypoints to your scene, from the prefabs folder manager, direct the waypoints on your scene. As you can see, our waypoint has the waypoints container and the way. Okay, you need to hold down V key to snap to the vertex. This is the first waypoint, must be at top of the terrain and where you like. The car AI will follow these waypoints. Select this one and duplicate, move here. Duplicate, move here. Must be on top of the road. Move here. Nice, move here. Add more at the corners. Nice, duplicate here. Nice, duplicate here. Your AI cars will follow this path. This is a path. As you can see, you can easily duplicate and move the waypoints. Okay, now we want to direct already placed waypoints. As you can see, I have two waypoints container because I have two paths for different AI cars. As you can see, the waypoints placed in the proper place. I have two paths for different AI cars to move randomly and more realistic. As you can see, waypoints located properly. The green circles are waypoints. Here is the end of the waypoints. Here is the start and here is the end, and here is the car spawn positions. Nice, now we have waypoints. Good. Now the next step is adding spawn positions to spawn cars here. There. Here we want to spawn the cars from the prefab manager. Spawn position direct here. The first one is for player. I want to place player here. Duplicate, this is the first AI. Nice, this is the next, and next. Okay, we have 4 AI cars and a player. The first one is for player. Okay. Spawn points. Drag spawn points here. Unpack completely. Nice. Now we have spawn positions, and we can add race manager and finally add speed limiters. Now direct the race manager on your scene to manage the racing game. Unpack completely. This is the race manager. This is your level ID. The first level must be 0. Race direct. The next one must be 1, and the third one must be 3. This is the race ID. Must be 2. 0, 1, 2. Here is the overall time scale of the games, total laps, and nothing more. Now when you play the game, your game must works well. Spawn position is not assigned here. You need to assign the spawn position. The first one is for player, first AI, next AI, next and next. Now your game must works well. As you can see, the game works well. When you start the game, everything must works well. As you can see, the cars follow the path. Nice. Everything works well. Here, as you can see, the cars call it with the wall because we need speed limiters on the corners. So from the prefabs folder, manager triggers a speed limiter. Enable mesh renderer, everything looks good. Nice here. You need to add speed limiters at corners. Nice. Speed limiter. I want to limit the speed here and here and here. Limit the speed. Good. Okay, we want to limit the speed here. Just select speed limiters. Prefab unpack completely. Speed limiters. Okay, disable the mesh renderer. Here you can limit the speed. Now when AI cars reach to the speed limiters, as you can see, the cars limited here and move slowly. As you can see, everything looks good and works well. Nice. Here is the speed limiter is disabled, so move faster. Here is again the cars go to the speed limiter and move slowly. Nice. Also, you can limit the player. You can enter the player tag to limit the player speed to. I don't want to limit the speed of the player. Okay, here you can customize the game speed, total laps. And you can see the game speed is too much high speed too. You can control the show local position. Now the car's position will be disabled on top of the car. As you can see, this is the local car position. Nice. Show local position. And nothing more. Everything works well without any problem. You can see the sample scene. checkpoint manager, speed limiter, and others to have a proper design.